Celebrity Big Brother star Jess Impiazzi has been secretly dating former footballer Jermaine Pennant for 5 months. The unlucky in love beauty, 32, and Jermaine, 39, are currently enjoying their first holiday together in Tenerife. 3. Jess Impiazzi is dating Jermaine PennantCredit, splash. 3. The couple started dating in November of last year. Credit, The Sun. A source said, Jess and Jermaine have been dating since last November and things are going really well. They have both had really public relationships in the past, but are keen to keep this one away from the public eye. This holiday has really cemented their relationship and Jess's friends are really pleased to see her so happy. Jess has been sharing pictures from her trip on social media, but has kept Jermaine out of any public ones. Friends say she has been posting lots of pictures of them on her Facebook and they look like a very loved-up couple on their holidays. Jess, who rose to fame on X on the Beach, was left heartbroken last year after her boyfriend, old-school pal Matthew Cook, abruptly dumped her. Prior to that she dated footballer Samir Carruthers, but they split after a year of dating. She was previously married to rugby player Denny Solomona. Jess told The Sun her world began to crumble in 2018 when her marriage collapsed and she tried to take her own life. Jermaine's love life has been just as rocky thanks to his on/off romance with wife Alice Goodwin. The couple finally called in quits for good in 2020 after 9 years being together and even appearing on Celebs Go Dating in a bid to rescue the relationship. Their marriage was rocked when Jermaine betrayed his wife while on Celebrity Big Brother in 2018. In shock scenes, the love rat failed to tell his housemates he was married before writing "I like you" in eyeliner to model Chloe Ayling. Speaking about the incident afterwards, he admitted, "I was on a show and a scenario occurred where I was flirting. I overstepped the mark a little bit and wasn't thinking about the consequences. I said I wasn't married." The Sun has contacted Jess for comment. 3. Jess has been sharing pictures from their holiday in Tenerife. Credit, Instagram. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.